Now I am going to show you how to delete the data from the database table. For that I am going to call public function delete. Now here, in order to delete in the web.php, I am going to make a new route, that is student delete, and function will be delete here. So here I call the function. Now I am going to use the same thing. For example, you want to delete a data, so just call that like this, what we did in the case of update, and this function will be delete. So here just you will have to delete. So from student table I find the ID, and then I use this object, this single, then I will use delete. So number 3 data, what is there? For example, David. Now if I run this, that is delete, enter, you will see that the data is deleted. The ID 3 is not here now. So in this way you can easily delete the data. Also, if you want, you can use this method in order to delete the data, that is you just call student where id equal to 3 first, and then just call single delete, and it will work.